Hey everyone, 84 Ironhead here, back with another video. I just got a package today from my good buddy MikeMouse74, aka Ron.
Yeah, he's been stalking the mailman all morning, waiting for his package, and it finally arrived.
Yeah, and then he didn't even bring it to the front door, he just dropped it off at the garage. Jerk. Let's get this thing open. I already know some of what's in here. Oh, got a note here. Dave, 84 Ironhead. Dave, thanks for being such a good friend on YouTube. Your reviews are awesome as always. Keep up the fine work, my friend. Here are the Transformers Reveal the Shield figures that you wanted. I also threw in a little extras for you. Hope you like them. Your Transformer buddy, MikeMouse74. Awesome. Thanks a lot, man. So, get this open here. And I see Legends figures. Sweet. Oh, that's cool. Legends class Starscream. Can they see that? Awesome. And Legends class Megatron. Now there's actually a possible cancellation on the Legends class figures US release here, so that's really awesome. Oh wow. We also got Legends class Prowl. Holy cow, there's a lot in here. Optimus Prime. Holy cow. And we got the Gold Bumblebee, also known as Goldbug. Jeez, how'd you fit so much in this box? And we got Legends class Trail Cutter, also known as Trailbreaker. So, I believe that's all the Legends class figures for the RTS line. Which, like I said before, that's really awesome because they've already canceled the Scout class figures, and the Legends class figures are up next for cancellation here in US release. And here we got Reveal the Shield Wreck-Gar. Put all this. Reveal the Shield Perceptor. And Reveal the Shield G2 Laser Prime. And last but not least, Reveal the Shield Bumblebee. Now these figures have still yet to arrive anywhere here at retail release here in the US. Not really sure why. Get a shot of all these together. You can go ahead and stop it. So here it is. Here's my my haul from MikeMouse74. Ron, thanks so much, man. It's way too cool of you.
Ron, you spoiled him. You spoiled him rotten, and you're making me look bad like I don't give
Oh,
him enough
jeez.
Transformers.
Whatever. Yeah, and I have my lovely assistant with me today as she rolls her eyes. But there it is. Ron, I definitely owe you one.
Or 2, or 3, or 4.
Or a ton. But I definitely owe you, man. Thanks so much. Really appreciate it, man. And as you requested, reviews of all of these figures coming. Full reviews, so from robot to vehicle or vehicle to robot, and then vice versa. So full reviews coming of all of these figures. So huge thank you again to Ron, MikeMouse74. Thanks so much, man. I'll have a link to his channel in the description box where you can check out his channel and subscribe to him. Thanks for watching, everyone.